Hi everyone, this is Brittany from SHOPFOXBURROW. I have a big old Nuuly unboxing for you today. And I am actually really excited to get into this and to get to wearing some of these pieces. So let's just dive right in. So, if you missed my last Nuuly unboxing, I tried something, I tried unboxing, and then what I was going to do was to just like wear the pieces throughout the month and then take pictures for you guys, like throughout the month, just outfit pictures, so you could see how I actually put the pieces to use. And that failed miserably. So most of my pictures were just like mirror selfies, and it really didn't go well. And a lot of times I wore the pieces just with like leggings and I didn't think I looked cute enough. So I am going to do a try on today so I can show you guys the pieces that I picked out and how I will hopefully style them. But yeah, and then you'll also maybe remember that in my last unboxing I got two pieces. One of them had a stain on it and the other one was like covered in, I don't know, pet hair, and it was just like worked into the fibers because it was a sweater. So I washed them both and lint rolled the holy crap out of the one with all the hair. I got them both to look pretty good, certainly wearable, but I did email Nuuly customer service and they did take care of me. They refunded me the cost for those two items, and then they added an extra item for me to put into this box for free. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Let's go ahead and see what all I picked out. If you hear screaming, my children are upstairs fighting over a pillow. I don't even know. I'm just at that point where I'm just like, figure it out. Just go between yourselves, figure it out. So they're just yelling. So this month with my Nuuly, I really wanted things that I was actually going to wear and get some use out of, because I feel like mostly, you know, the coronavirus cases are going up and we're just staying home. So I really want to go for like the more like casual look, and I do get dressed up at home, but I also have days where I just wear like sweatpants and stuff. So I kind of wanted like a mix. I have been eyeing this adorable daisy jumper from Moschino. So it's by Boutique Moschino, and I've seen some really cute outfits on Instagram, and I thought these were, oh they are, yeah, these daisies are pockets. It's just like really cute. And this is in beautiful shape, so I can't wait to layer this up and get some casual wear out of it. I know it seems kind of crazy to just like casually wear a Moschino dress around the house, but that is the life I lead right now, so I'm sure I'll get some like Instagram pictures and stuff like that. But next up, I was really looking for leggings and they didn't have a whole lot of selection, and I imagine it's partially because everyone else is looking for leggings too, but they did have these Anthropologie faux suede leggings, and they are like this rusty orange brown color, and they have like this zip at the ankle. So I thought that these would be pretty good for like classing up that at-home look and maybe like mixing and matching with some of my sweaters. So I am excited about those. So how have you liked those two pieces? Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to let me know what your favorite pieces are. If there's anything that you're going to be trying out from Nuuly that I just got, or if you don't like something, that's okay too. You can say that. This is, I feel I'm like wearing a mustard sweater. This just came in my Stitch Fix, but I'm wearing a mustard sweater and I got one that's not too far off in shade. This one has a little bit of a fitted waist, and then it's got this big balloon puff sleeve, and I'm just into that right now. And it's got the mock neck, and I feel like it's just got all the things, and I'm excited to try it. It is by Just, and I went ahead and got a size large, and I'm glad that I did, because I don't like things to be like too tight on the waist. I did find this sweatshirt. This is by Maeve. It's definitely a little more on the worn side, but you know, I'm just gonna be wearing it around the house, so whatever. It's cute, it's embroidered. You can kind of see the embroidery up close here, and just like a nice boxy fit with some like patchwork sewing detail. So you can kind of see that. And this one is also a size large. I have some driftwood joggers that I just got off of Poshmark, and I think these will kind of give that like set look. So I'm gonna actually try those two together as kind of like a set, and we'll see how they go.
The whole wide world, that's me and the man in the moon. When the little birds are nesting, and I listen to them croon, there's two lonesome people in the whole wide world, that's me and the man in the moon. Just before...
What did you think? Did that match? Did you like that? Or was it just like too matchy-matchy? What's your opinion on sets? Because I know that places like Aerie are just like pushing them so hard right now. So I'm curious to know what you think. Next up is a plaid top. I've been wanting a plaid top, but I want something that's practical. And I thought this Sanctuary top was really pretty. And it has the bow neckline. I mean, it's not tied right now very well, but yeah, it has this bow neckline, and I thought that that would be really cute for layering underneath like a pinafore dress or something. And it's just got the little gathered sleeves, so I'm excited to see how I can style this for like fun at home wear.
I'm counting sheep. Through my window he comes to peep, and with each other we're sympathizing, looking at the happy sweethearts while they sit around and spoon. There's two lonesome people in the whole wide world, that's me and the man in the moon.
So next up, I do live in New England. It is cold here, but to me, coat weather is like 20 degrees and below. Like once it's 20 degrees, I mean, that's pretty freaking cold. And you kind of need a coat when you go out. But if it's above 20 degrees, I'm not putting on a coat. So I thought that I would just, I mean, this is kind of a coat, but I just thought that it's like lighter. It's like a boiled wool, casual sort of coat in like a brown and black polka dot. And I don't know, I just thought it was cute. It's by Nice Things, and I got a size 40, which is like a large. But it's just like boxy. It's got, you know, pockets in the side over here. And I just thought it kind of went with all of the fall colors. So when we go on walks, or when I do a Target run, if I have to, you know, I can wear this coat. Alright, this is the last piece. This is actually a lot heavier and chunkier knit than I thought. This is an Anthropologie like poncho sweater, and it is just by Anthropologie. That's the brand on the tag. But it is like kind of like a tent shape, and then it's got these big bell sleeves here. It is nice and black. It's in pretty good shape, and then it's got these like this like cable detail down the top of the shoulder, and then like a fold over turtleneck. So I just thought this would be super cozy for like throwing on with leggings and doing, you know, remote learning. I have to be careful. I don't want to like, you know, I have to help my kindergartner. I don't want to show up and, you know, I'm in the background wearing like pajamas. So I do try and get dressed, but I thought that this would be like a really cozy sort of wear around the house sort of thing. So I'm going to try this on, and then once I am done, we'll meet back here. Okay, so what did you guys think of the try-ons? What did you guys think of those outfits? Are those ways that you would pair it? Would you do anything differently? Like if you have other style ideas that are cozy, let me know. I have a lot of clothes in my closet, so I might be able to recreate what you are suggesting. And then let me know if you had any favorite pieces, or if there were any pieces that you didn't really like. And if there were any pieces that you like so much that you think that I should keep. So that is it for my Nuuly. I think this is like my 8th Nuuly, something like that. I really have been enjoying just like subscription clothing, like getting it and returning it. In the end, I find that it's like a less work and more fun than just buying something for myself and only wearing it once or twice and then having to turn around and sell it. So this is a lot of fun for me, and I hope that you are enjoying these videos too. And thank you to those of you who have used my code, which is down in the description, to try Nuuly. You guys have given me like 20 or 30 bucks off, and I really appreciate it. Every sign up I get, I think, $10 off of my next Nuuly. So if you do want to try Nuuly, there is a link in the description where you get $10 off, I get $10 off, and I love it when you use it. So thank you all so much, and I hope I'll see you for my next video. Alrighty, bye!